Hi everybody, it's BJ, and we are inside of our amazing Christmas shop here at the Missouri Star Quilt Company. And I guess I'm doing Tuesday Newsday today. Exciting times.
Yes, it is.
You get the email and you're like, oh hey, guess what you're doing tomorrow? It's like, oh that'd be great. I'm here, and I'm having a great time. And I've been around. I'll give you a little intro of myself. First of all, I'm Misty's dad, so I got that going for me. And also, I've been with the company going on about 11 years, so I've done all sorts of different things here at Missouri Star Quilt Company, and just have had a great time doing it.
Well, and you do the like the cakewalks, right? You do all the dancing, and
Yeah, so when we have our birthday bash and everything here, I MC the the cakewalks where we do a lot of fun stuff out here at the birthday. If you've ever been to our birthday bash, you need to get here.
You gotta come.
And then also host a lot of the events on the stage with the with Jenny or whoever's on stage, and I also help out with that a lot, and with the theater, and just anything that is kind of like I'm the doer of things, and so I just whatever needs to be done. I'm kind of a utility player.
Renaissance man.
Renaissance, that's it. I like it. Anyway, but hey, I wanted to let you know today's kind of gloomy, and it's definitely winter's not too far from us here. I don't think it.
No, I think it's coming in quick.
Yeah, it is. So, but we've got some rain today. It's cloudy, but not too bad. So we've got some folks still out wandering around town and coming to visit us, and we really appreciate that as they're traveling. So we wanted to kind of feature one of the shops today, and which is really cool because this is going on. I think it's been open about a year now.
Yep, this is one of our newer shops,
Yeah.
and this is Santa's sewing shop.
Yeah, it's a very cool shop, and of course it's the right time of year for Santa and sewing and all the things. So we'll kind of walk around here and get a closer look at some of the goodies that are in here. But and I was also going to mention, some folks might have noticed I'm also the Doorbuster Dude. So another great thing, and it's going good, and so be watching for that. There's more of those Doorbuster deals coming up all week, and I think into next. I don't know how many there
Yes, we will be done with the Doorbuster deals on December 1st.
Okay. Oh, wow. All right.
Yep.
Well, there you go. So we've got more Doorbuster deals coming your way, so be watching for that. But let's, what do you want to do, Hannah? You want to walk around a little bit?
Let's check out the shop.
This was featured in one of our Doorbusters last week, but I wanted to show you this because this is the kind of the finished deal, and this is on the white and the embroidery work and everything. And of course, all those patterns are included in these kits, right? And then also, I thought oh yeah, here it is. Here's the pillow. You can kind of see this. See this guy here? This was the black background. But aren't those patterns? They're just gorgeous.
They are. They're so pretty. And this black is velvet, by the
Yes.
way. It's also velvet on this one. This is also velvet.
Yeah, the sashing here. There you go. The sashing this is just like a regular cotton.
Yep.
But the velvet is here. Oh, you can't quit touching it. Okay, all right. Anyway, let's. Sorry, I got up right.
No, you're good. Let's check out some of these goodies. Look at how cute these cats are.
Right.
All the little Christmas.
Yes, the cat gnomes.
Yes.
Aren't they adorable? All sorts of fun things here. Lots of different gnomes, and I guess this is a gnome for your sparkling white grape juice. Is what that
cute.
is.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's fun. So, like I say, they really get a lot of cool stuff in here and things that you've never seen around. We got some Grinches, some ornaments here, some fun stuff, and then what have we got? Table
some
runners and
plates.
Yeah.
Some stockings.
All sorts of fun stuff, huh? And here's really cool, and I've started collecting. Did you see our town? Did you see the town?
I have seen the town.
Of course, we've got each one of these little guys representing one of the shops here. Here is the main shop, of course. I'll lift this up just a little bit. There's the Penny's Quilt Shop. Is that cool or
So
what?
cute. These are so cute. I love them.
Here is where we are right now. I feel like Mr. Rogers. Let's go on in here and see our town, right? Isn't that fun?
And then there's Jenny.
Oh, yes.
Jenny and Ron.
Oh, how
So
fun.
cute.
And that's actually Ron has a car like that.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a lot of fun. And then another building. So just lots of fun. Just always doing something. And of course, they're all sold separate.
Yep.
And you can pick those up here.
And then I also wanted to show these off because these are so cute. They're 2 mugs. So there's this one and this one. And they're little stackable
Does
guys.
it do the same thing with the snowman? I
Yep.
bet it does. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. And salt and pepper shakers.
Cute.
I love that's for sure.
Oh, and there's the snow pillow from last year's Christmas box.
Oh, this one here?
Yep.
Very nice. and all of the different templates. And a lot of people don't know, and I think we'll do one. We'll go out to the warehouse and show where we make all of our templates and everything. But we make all these in-house, and we'll go out and show you how that operation. We'll get out to some of the behind-the-scenes stuff and some later Tuesday Newsdays. We'll do that for sure. So
Yeah.
But
Well,
what else
and
you
then
see here?
also a quick reminder.
Mm-hmm.
So this brown paper,
Oh yes.
you do need to peel that off.
I tell you, I used to travel, and go to the quilt shows all over. I did that for about 5 years and went to all the different quilt shows, and it never failed. Just about every show, I'd have someone come up and they've not taken the paper off the back of the template. I'm like, well, you just need to take the paper off. So that's a good call out there, Hannah. Great job. But anyway, so lots of fun stuff. What do we got here? This is like a little Advent calendar thing.
Yeah,
right?
that's so cute.
Yeah, lots of fun.
You can probably put your own name on there. You don't have to keep Sarah.
I think that's probably true. So, lots of fun and
Cute
got little
trees.
ornaments, more little Missouri Star little building ornaments there. Isn't that fun?
Yes, it's so cute. And then it does lead into another store, but we will do that on another day. Give you a little sneak peek of it.
Peek, yeah, so you can cross right over into another shop there. So we've got some of the amazing shop folks here. Hi, everybody. She's excited. All right. Hey, you got some socks here. Isn't that what that is?
Yeah, those are socks.
Oh, and
Wait.
got a zipper.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
What do you put in there, you think? What
Your maybe like some sock money?
You gotta have sock money.
Gotta have your
Always
sock
said,
money.
Have some sock money. So that's funny. I've never heard of sock money, but that works.
And then on this side, we have a lot more fabric.
Yes. The cool thing with this shop, Hannah, is that, and we've always done this. We always have the Christmas fabric in stock, right? Because when you make a Christmas quilt, you're doing it like in June, and things like that when you're buying your fabric and everything. So that's the cool part, that we always have this fabric here, and you can buy it anytime. And so that's.
And there's so many pretty ones. It goes all the way down.
Yeah, it is. Lots of really neat stuff. What do we got here? Oh, the Joy bench pillow.
Very cute.
Nice.
Also, if you see these little things, you can find
Oh,
which
the tag.
block it is in and what the name is, and you should be able to find it pretty quick from
Yeah,
there.
so you don't necessarily have to buy the pattern. It should, if you have the block magazine, it'll
Yeah.
be in there, right?
Yep.
But if you want to buy the pattern, I'm sure that the pattern's available separately too. Look at these things.
Oh, cute, the little nativities.
Little nativity. That is so fun. I want to open it up, but I can't sealed. That's cool.
Oh, and then here it is all hung up. There's even little ornaments,
There it is.
guys.
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
That's so cute.
Those are really cool.
Is that a little baby Jesus?
Baby Jesus.
Oh, cute.
Yes.
I thought it was a boiled
I thought
egg
it
at
was-
first.
Well, I thought it was like, is that an avocado? That's where I was at. I was like, no,
It's
baby
unripe.
Jesus. It's fine. That's awesome. All right.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Lots more, of course, fabric
Yep.
and goodies. Just lots of decorations and fun stuff. So I tell you what, they do a great job picking out stuff for the shop. They do amazing. Some kits here. We've got, this is a really cool Moda kit, and these are some Riley Blake kits here for Christmas. Got some puzzles up there. Of course, more fabric. It's a Christmas shop, so that's what we've got here, right?
Yeah.
Lots of,
About ran into this.
and this is loaded with ornaments.
Oh, yeah, look at how cute they
I
are.
was going to say, does it spin? But they spin individually. So,
Oh, nice.
yeah, I'll give you a little action shot here, Hannah. Oh, yes, this is Hollywood's what we're doing right now, folks. This is, how about that? Is that cool?
That's so cute.
Oh, that reminds me, this is so cool. These old ornaments like this, they just remind me so much of like my grandma's, going and back, that's kind of what the ornaments kind of look like, just lots of fun. So, yeah. Oh, this is cool too. Hannah, come over here. So, this is another little.
Oh my gosh.
It's like got a little car. It's a little advent calendar, and you drive it along on your way to Missouri Star, I'm assuming. Huh?
Yes, 100%.
100%. But that's cool. I hadn't seen that.
Yeah, that's super cute.
Put it on the right day. What is today?
Oh, look, and then-
this is for December, so that doesn't matter. So it's all good.
And then
Come on
there's
in,
some
folks.
more
Yeah.
little boxes of some Christmas. Oh
Village.
boy.
Yeah,
Yep, the
Christmas
village.
More
Sorry.
Christmas village stuff. So anyway, that's what's going on in this store. So if you make it to Hamilton, you definitely need to come and check, the Christmas shop out, along with our other, multitude of shops that we have. What are we up to? 16, 15?
I think it's 16.
16.
Could be even 17. Not 100% sure.
Yeah. So if you get to Hamilton, you need to take the time and get to all of them. Obviously, if you've made the trip here. So, and we just kind of wanted to show you this shop today. So
yeah,
as part of the Tuesday Newsday. So what else is going on, Hannah? Is there some other things? I know. Well, Thanksgiving's coming up, not this week, but
next week.
And
I believe
the shops
so.
will be closed.
Yes, we will be closed on Thanksgiving, but we'll be open before and after, I believe.
I think that's right.
Yes.
If it's not, they'll tell us, and we'll let you know. But we've got another week before we can let you know. But I'm sure they're open right after the day after Thanksgiving. So yeah, lots of fun stuff.
Yeah.
What else is happening?
I mean, we've got tutorials coming out and just general.
I was talking to, I know I mentioned at the beginning that Misty's my daughter, and she was over at my house last night. I made a bunch of chicken on my pellet grill.
Yummy.
And smoked. Oh, it was delicious. And so we ate a bunch of chicken, watched the Chiefs game, did all the things. But and I know she's filming a bunch of tutorials today as well, and doing. She's crazy busy, so I know there's some really cool tutorials coming out. So that'll be fun. She is busy today for sure. So hopefully I can get to see her at some point. We'll see. So, anyway, but no, it's we just invite you to come out and check out the shops. Say hi to Hannah. We need to get you on the camera sometime so we can recognize you.
No, I'm good.
All right, I'm good. But say hi to all the folks. We just love having people come and visit. We've got a lot of people in town today, which is good. It's sometimes when it gets gloomy, a lot of people just
they want to stay inside and curl up with a book and some coffee, or maybe some sewing.
Right.
Some embroidery. It's a perfect day for embroidery.
Yeah, that's true. Very good day for that. But it's a good day to come and see us, and we'd love to have you come out here and just check out all the shops. And we hope this has been informative. I think, did we cover everything we needed to, Hannah?
Yeah, I believe we did.
All right. Well, that's going to do it for this Tuesday Newsday. We will see you next Tuesday with somebody. Maybe me, maybe somebody else. We don't know. You guys have a good day.